t-shirt, it smells like roses after rain. That was dumb, I tried to flirt, but you mess with neurons in my brain. When I see you, it's like being struck by lightning. I'm giddy, I'm nervous, and it's honestly so frightening. Yeah, I have read all about it, but it's different living around it. What do I call this feeling? Feet on the ground, head in the sky. Real life, but like I'm dreaming, floating above it 10 feet high. I can't describe what goes on inside. What do I call this feeling? 'Cause I think you give me butterflies. I think that your voice sounds like honey on a summer's day. Did I say it out loud? It's your fault for making me this way. 'Cause when I see you, it's like breathing underwater. I'm awkward, I'm flustered. Is it me?
Beach days turning into late nights. Sunshine, let me dead in the eye. What's the time? It's a sign. Realign, redefine in my mind. Beach days turning into late nights. Sunshine, let me dead in the eye. What's the time? It's a sign. Realign, redefine in my mind.
One time for your mind and two for the soul. Third eye open, you can feel when it's close. Four dimensions sitting on the way to 5. 6 sense, how we staying alive. Staying grateful's in my nature, and I certainly realized everything's happened purposely. And now I'm sitting right where I'm supposed to be. Been strong, head high like I'm supposed to be. And I need space to just breathe, a place to just be. It's likely I'll see the changes. Gave you what you need, this life just a dream. I've just seen it, rearranged it. I just need some time for myself to heal. I just wanna feel, man, something real. People keep on telling me just how to deal. This is how I deal. Come on.
Beach days turning into late nights. Sunshine, let me dead in the eye.
Yeah,
What's
yeah.
the time? It's a sign. Realign, redefine in my mind. Beach days turning into late nights. Sunshine, let me dead in the eye. What's the time? It's a sign.
Yeah.
Realign,
Yeah.
redefine in my mind.
Everybody wanna hit, trying to put the effort in. List is getting longer, all the rappers that I'm better than. Building up the kingdom, yeah, you know we getting settled in. Trying to get the money up to put her in a wedding ring. I'm on the move, penning lyrics in the lunchroom. Spit them at the show, getting rowdy in the front row. You don't even know it when I'm touring, it's a must go. Hanging with the bros, how we leaving, brother, fuck no. So take a seat and
Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could. It's so annoying that you're smart. That your casual conversation, even a short duration, can cover everything from science-based to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out everybody, as if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl
hypnotized, I don't know why she got me feeling this way. She's got a way about her, she's got a way about her. And I'm mesmerized like every night by every word she'll say. She's got a way about her, she's got a way about her. Yeah, she doesn't know that she's got a hold. She's got a certain kind of gravity, and she doesn't know that I want her so. And when I see her, I believe in every hunger turning to nitro song. She took me to the moon and we kept on going, like the whole world stopped for her, but she couldn't get. She got me dancing through the streets like I'm Fred Astaire. Got me dizzy, head is spinning.